Okay, you're in Microsoft Excel and you want to create a map chart. We'll create this chart. I can select a country from this drop down and it will show me the comparative sales between the regions within that country. The darker the green, the more the sales. Okay, let's see how this can be done. Okay, here's the data that I'm going to use for the chart. If you want a copy of it, I'll leave a link in the description of this video. So the first thing to do is put this in a table. So if you click anywhere in it, go to the Insert tab on your ribbon, and go to Table, click on OK. Then give it a name. Up here, I'll call it Sales _ Data. Press Enter to confirm the name. Now over here in column N, I'm going to write Region, and in the cell next to it, I'm going to create a drop-down list. So Data, Data Validation, Allow a List, and our source is going to be, well, I'm just going to type in the value. So USA, China, India, Europe. Okay, so now I have my drop-down list. Now, I then need to copy these three column headings that are relevant to my chart. And I need to create a filter, so I can use the filter function for that. And my array, the columns that I want to return are these three columns, comma, and include records where the region is equal to the region selected in the drop-down list. Now I will format these monetary values and make sure these are also formatted. So now I can create my chart. So I just click somewhere in the filtered version of the data, Insert, Maps, and then click on this option. And then I can drag this over here and make it a little bit bigger. So now from this drop-down list, I can select a country or region and it will show the relevant map. Now, if you double click anywhere on the actual map, you'll get the Format Data Series task pane over here. And the one that you're going to be particularly interested in is the map labels. So I recommend that you select Best Fit Only, and that's going to give you the name of the states. Now, map area, you're better leaving it as automatic. For example, if I chose only regions with data, I don't think that looks as good. Country region, that's the default for this anyway. Multiple countries and regions, and world. So you're better sticking with automatic. Map projection will slightly change the way in which the map is rendered. I'm just going to leave it on automatic. Now, if you want to change the series colors, you can do that here. For example, if I wanted green instead of blue, and down here I would choose a dark green. And here I would choose a light green. I can also change the chart title just by typing over it. Now, what I then did is take the border off the chart. So if you select the chart area, you can then go to Format. You can go to Shape Outline and No Outline. I also removed the grid lines from the sheet. So if I go to View, I can untick grid lines. I can then make this text green so it looks part of the chart. Maybe increase the font size. And there we have it.